So now this is a golden rule in trading, and the golden rule goes by never trade when you're not supposed to trade. So what I mean by that is there are times when the market is really choppy. It's not doing anything for you. And this could be a few days, it could be a few hours, or it depends on what your trading time frames are. So if, for example, if your trading time frame is the daily time frame, there could be times where the market's just rallied for like 5 days at a stretch. Now I need some time to breathe. So in that breathing space, before it decides, is it time to go up more or is it time to fall down and correct itself a little? So that's the breathing room that the market needs. So at that time, avoid trading because that's when the market's resting and you'll actually make more losses than gain. So keep that in mind when you place the trade. Just rest when the market's resting and act or react when the market is reacting. So that's where you can like go with the trend and then calm down and chill, just focus on something else when the market's not doing what it's supposed to do. Now at the same time, if you are a day trader and you're just day trading, like buying and selling on the same day, there could be times in the day when the market's just relaxing. So common times where the market relaxes in the afternoon. So anytime between 11:30 to 2:30 is when the market relaxes, and historically that's when the traders would go out for lunch, or they would just go out and like just relax and like enjoy the afternoons, and that's where the activities are least. So if you are an active day trader, the main times to focus on would be probably the first hour in the morning and the last hour in the evening before the market closes, and that's the most active hours, and that's where you could possibly see a lot of gains coming up. So keep that in mind. Relax when the market's relaxing, act when the market's acting, and that'll help you become a better trader and a more profitable trader. So stay tuned with this to another exciting video coming very soon.